Rajen Jani tutorial. Start. Talk about your job or future career plans.
I just passed my general physician exam. Finally. And now I am doing my internship as a resident doctor in a hospital, which is honestly exhausting but incredibly rewarding. Every day is different, and I get to interact with so many patients, learning from real cases instead of just books. The long shifts can be brutal, but knowing that I am helping people makes it worth it. I am leaning towards specializing in cardiology because the complexity of the human heart just fascinates me. There is something about understanding how it works, how to treat conditions, and even preventive care that keeps me going on. Medicine has always been my calling. I cannot imagine doing anything else. One of the best parts of this journey has been working alongside some brilliant senior doctors. Their experience and insights are priceless. I plan to apply for a residency in cardiology soon, and hopefully I will get into a good program. Eventually, I want to use my expertise not just in hospitals, but also in community health programs, helping people understand and manage heart health better. It is crazy to think how far I have come, and I still have a long way to go, but I know I am on the right path.
Rajen Jani tutorial. End.
Expand your vocabulary. All the words used in this English-speaking practice tutorial are listed as parts of speech like nouns, verbs, etc. This entire vocabulary list can be freely downloaded from the download link given in the description box of this video. Download this list now and learn the words and idioms to use with this topic. For more such English-speaking practice videos, don't forget to subscribe and like. Do also give your comment. Thank you.
Credits. Tutorial. Rajen Jani. Text. Microsoft Copilot. Images. Copilot Image Creator. Audio. Google Cloud Text-to-Speech. Parts of speech. Google Cloud Natural Language API. Python Code. Google Gemini AI. Video Editor. Kdenlive.